rainbow.
Yeah.
Rainbow thunder. Like rainbow thunder. Ooh, it's coming down. Woo!
I couldn't see. Yeah. That's a good one. Yeah.
Why did I fall down one of that one?
Look at that.
Wow. It's on the floor when you mix a tornado. Let's see what happens. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today
We are going to make a fireworks colors using Gian's STEM Junior Tornado Tower.
yes, like spinning air like this when it's lot up and when it turns to like a tornado.
Okay, and then of course you will need a vegetable oil. What's that?
For coloring, tornado tower,
And then a water
water,
and a
spoon.
spoon or fork to mix it. Okay?
That's
I'm gonna put it away.
filled.
Okay.
I said
Okay.
filled.
Of course, you have to one drop in each color.
Where? Like this one?
You want me to open it?
Yeah. Up.
Can you open it yourself? Oh, Mama.
Oh, I did it.
Okay, sure.
But
But be careful,
You said, sir.
No.
You said
Okay, just one.
one drop.
Yeah, one drop.
What's it?
Yep. One. Yep.
One.
Oops, that's it.
Just one. Okay, you need to cover it when it's dry. It's like a dry rack. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, just like that. Or like a... Okay. So we need purple to open it. Oh, like this. Purple.
Just one drop again.
One.
Oops.
I say one.
Next.
Okay, next. We drop up blue and drop up purple.
Okay, what's next?
Green, we need 3, okay?
Okay, just one drop again. Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, you can tell me what to do. Hey. Oh no. Oh, okay, come on.
Okay. Yes, sir. You like it? And what's
Okay.
next? Where's the other one?
Drop green. Red. 1,
Okay.
2.
Okay, and then what's gonna be the next thing to do?
Mix. Add the tape.
Agitate.
Okay, and give me the ball. Ugh. My knee.
Okay.
Done.
Now
Oh. Okay.
it's done, and we're gonna slowly drop on the water. Hold on. Pour out slowly on the water. So slowly. Slowly. Yeah, slowly.
And good. Whoa. Okay. This is like a goat.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It has bubble. Oh, we have to wait. And the food color. Oh, we have to wait. No, it's coming out. Oh, it just virus. Ooh, like this. Check it out. It's like a night.
See, they're going down now.
Ooh, they're going down. Whoa, it's coming.
They're going down.
Yeah, they're going down for the game. Whatever Ooh, it's like a snake. It's like a snake.
See that?
Oh, it's like a snake. It's coming. Ooh, it's like a coming. It's like a paint.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming out.
That's the fireworks.
Oh. It's like a tornado. It's like a tornado. It's like a rainbow.
Yeah.
Rainbow thunder. Like rainbow thunder.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, it's coming down. Woo.
Yeah. That's a good one, yeah?
Why did I fall down one of that one?
Look at that.
Wow. It's on the floor when it makes a tornado. Let's see what happens. Okay. It makes this.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a rainbow.
Yeah.
It makes like a rainbow. This one, it makes a rainbow.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
So cool. It's like a slime. Okay. When it's coming down. Oh, look at that. Oh. Ooh, the
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please
Please
don't forget
get
to
to like and ring the bell
and subscribe to our
channel.
Always remember.
Always remember, Jesus loves you. Mwah. Bye. God bless.